Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A34, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the features. Now let's tap on system navigation, and here we've got virtual buttons. You can customize it here if you want to, so reorder the back button and the recents, and to set the gestures you simply tap on the second option. And here, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can customize this option, so you can change the back sensitivity for the left and right edge. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And the same from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.